I think it was in the early 70s, so it's been a few years now. We started, I guess I started by driving bus in the parking lot, and now I'm pretty much full-time here at Earl's Mill. Well, our whole family is involved. My wife takes care of Nursing Home Day, which was held last Tuesday for all the nursing homes can bring their people in. And my son Roger, he works here. He saws most of the time, but he also puts on that class of building the little wobbler engines for the little young people to get their feet wet into the idea of engines. And then my daughter is the school marm over in the schoolhouse, and I went to a country school so I could give her a lot of ideas of how it should be done. And I have two grandsons. One works here in the mill, does most of the log hauling from the pond, and the other one is a horseman, so he's down in the horse area, works with them. So I guess my favorite thing, I got to be involved here with lumber coming out of this mill, and I kind of look into buying the logs, and then in the summertime milling them into whatever we need. So we've built many buildings on the ground with the lumber out of this mill. And I would buy all Norway pine logs so that it's good quality lumber. And for the little young people to into the idea of engines. And my daughter is the school marm over in the